Most rides nowadays are about the destination, but some are about the moments that make you pull over, pull out your camera, and take some amazing shots. One thing I've never done is combined my photography with my love of motorbikes. So that's what today's plan is. I don't have much of a plan. I'm gonna head down to the south coast, see where I end up, try and get some quality shots of the Green Beast, along with the Harley. I've got my trusty Nikon D3100, paired with its 18 to 135mm lens. It's a quality bit of kit, I've had it for years. Granted, there are more expensive stuff out now and better quality, but this has always done the job. So I thought I'd chuck it in the tank bag, see where we end up, see what I can produce from it. It is windy here. Right, let's have a look. Let's see what we can achieve. Oh, that was a good one. I like it. Oh, old chain ring, look. Sick. Sometimes it's about just slowing down, sort of living in the moment a little bit more, which I'm very guilty of not doing, which is why I'm going to make a conscious effort this year to do more with my photography. Oh, it's just bloody lovely. It's a shame about that cloud up there on the other side of the island, because that's where I kind of wanted to go and get a sunset shot with the bike, because that's that way where I want to park is directly in line with the sunset, so that's a bit annoying, but hey ho. Well, the second place I thought of didn't really look that great. It's a bit too cloudy and grey, so what we'll do is head to my backup spot. Key down in the land. Actually, to be fair, that might be quite cool with the boat. It's a bit windy down here as well. I think we got another storm coming in. You got hail there, the estuary that comes out goes all the way out into the Atlantic down there, and then if you went left out there, that's where you'd end up to St Ives, where I've just been. Right, side on with the boat. Yeah, cool, like it. Maybe go portrait for this one. Yeah, like it. That's quite cool. Danger, keep off. That's quite cool, I like that. Bike thieves. Oh, that's quite cool. Quite like using the bike as like a prop, as such. Let's have a look. Such a pretty bike. You're such a good model. Insane. This is what I love about photography. You stop, you take a moment just to enjoy a craft, you know, and locking in those memories with photos, you know. That's what it's all about. And I am very guilty of not sticking to it and making an effort, whereas now I've kind of got the buzz back. Oh yeah, I like that one. That's nice. So that's the plan for 2026. I want to broaden my photography. I want to try more, I want to do more, I want to learn more, because I'm nowhere near a professional, but I know enough to get me going. But I think it is about time to head home, because that sky does not look very promising. And on that lovely note, team, I hope you've enjoyed this one. It's a little bit different. I know I'm switching up a fair bit with what I'm filming at the minute, but I'm trying to sort of find myself and find my feet on what I actually really want to create. I don't want to be the same as every other YouTuber, and you know, I appreciate that there is now nearly 1,600 of you, potentially 1,600 when this goes live, that have followed and supported me. And I know that the content isn't always as straight as an arrow, it does differ sometimes, but I am just trying to find my niche and what I want to do, and you know, sort of pulling photography out of the cupboard and kind of focusing on it is what I want to do. I've had this idea of this sort of video for a while. I've just been putting it off and putting it off, and I just thought, you know what, and if you like it, brilliant. If you don't, then you know, fair enough. I can't please everybody. This isn't going to be the sole type of video I'm going to film. This is just going to be another niche that I want to delve into and learn more from as well. But for now, I just want to get out on the bike and just enjoy photography again, slowing down, you know, doing something that I actually enjoy and combining the two together. Hopefully it goes down well. And if it doesn't, then you know, put up with it, because I'm not stopping. As a good friend of mine and long-term supporter of the channel, Tommy Lindley, once said, do what makes you happy, pal. So that's what I'm going to do. Oh, I have missed this bike though.